live pictures from our park tower camera. Couldn't tell you what that is, but it's lovely.
I know, right?
13.
What
is that?
What is that pointed at?
Oh, you guys can't tell either.
No.
Because, you know, my teleprompter is about the size of a postage stamp. Oh, so.
And I apologize for the speed and the inconsistency of the teleprompter. We're still getting used to that situation.
No, I'm not taking any responsibility for yours. Okay, because you've been handling Cody's today.
Yeah. Apparently, Julissa has leg cramps today because it starts and then it stops.
Well,
and it goes really fast.
I'm just trying to find the right speed, right? Look, there's.
But you know what? Also, there's a delay. Cody and I have a delay.
Yes.
So it's like we have to anticipate.
All right, you want to?
It's like
here's
this.
how
It's
we
like
do it.
Yeah, here's how we do it. Okay, you gonna roll it for
right
me?
here. Yeah, I'm gonna roll for you. Okay, you want to show the prompter?
Okay, there are the words.
There are the words, so I'll make it move a little bit. Okay, go back to the words. Slow, and there you go. See now I'm moving it?
Yeah, but sometimes.
Oh, wait, I got to hit the backwards button. Oh, I got to find it. I got to find the backwards
you passed
button.
the name,
You
so
gotta
we
find it first.
I got to find the backwards button. Wait. And then we're trying different heights. Right? Wait. And then I do it this way. Watch. Stand by, everybody. Stand by.
Yeah, it's just easier like this.
This is the way I do it here.
Tina, you're kidding.
This is how I did on weekends. Okay, now watch. Go to the words.
See?
Oh, I need to hit. There's the backwards button.
Yeah, because you passed the name, so we don't know who's
Pass
turn
the
it
name.
is.
Oh, there's Julissa's name. There's Julissa's name. Okay.
Hilarious.
And then when it's Cody's name, here's Julissa.
I forget. Oh, man.
Forget about me.
All
Okay,
right.
I'll do this for you.
Okay,
Okay, ready?